Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious chicken noodle soup in your crockpot. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breasts, fresh carrots, celery, and onion, plus 8 cups of chicken broth. Make sure your slow cooker is ready. A 6-quart capacity is ideal for this recipe. This method makes cooking incredibly easy and yields a comforting meal for the whole family. Now, let's get everything into the slow cooker. Start by placing your 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breasts directly into the bottom. Next, add your chopped vegetables, 2 cups of carrots, 1 cup of celery, and 1 cup of onion. Finally, pour in 8 cups of chicken broth and add 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. This sets the foundation for a flavorful soup. Once your ingredients are in, set your slow cooker. You can cook on low for 6 to 8 hours or on high for 3 to 4 hours. When the chicken is tender, carefully remove it from the pot. Using 2 forks, shred the chicken into bite-sized pieces, then return it to the soup. Finally, during the last 30 minutes of cooking, stir in 2 cups of egg noodles. This ensures they cook perfectly without becoming mushy. Your homemade crockpot chicken noodle soup is now ready to enjoy. Before serving, you can garnish each bowl with 2 tablespoons of fresh, chopped parsley for a burst of color and flavor. This hearty and comforting soup is perfect for any day. Serve it hot with some crusty bread or your favorite crackers. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, making it great for meal prep.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.